Although people often think of boardrooms, suits, and million-peso deals when they hear the word negotiation, we negotiate all the time. For example, have you ever decided where to eat with a group of friends? Decided on chore assignments with your family? Asked your boss for a raise? These are different forms of negotiations. Let us go through the workshop objectives. Understand the basic types of negotiations, the phases of negotiations, and the skills needed for successful negotiating. Understand and apply basic negotiating concepts, WATNA, BATNA, WAP, and ZOPA. Lay the groundwork for negotiation. Identify what information to share and what to keep to yourself. Understand basic bargaining techniques. Apply strategies for identifying mutual gain. Understand how to reach consensus and set the terms of agreement. Deal with personal attacks and other difficult issues. Use the negotiating process to solve everyday problems. Negotiate on behalf of someone else.